Hello guys, this is Priyanka Dubey and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain that how you can create guides in your own Facebook group. If you don't have your Facebook group and you are looking for clients, I would seriously suggest you to go ahead and create your one Facebook group where you can promote, you can interact with people and you can convert, right? So this is my Facebook group. Its name is Abundant Female Entrepreneurs. So if you are a female who is an entrepreneur and who is looking for more clients in their business, you can join it. You just have to search Abundant Female Entrepreneurs and then you will get the access to the link. I will also just put the link in the description box, so if you want to join it, you can join it. Okay, so now why we are adding guides over here? So you can see I have like 1.7k members in my group and I have already 53 requests over there, and those are the people who are interested in my group, right? So I want them to give a whole lot of, I would say, value, so that they could understand that they are in the right place and they can get more support if they want, right? So in that case I just want to create a value packed guide where they just can go ahead and hang out and learn all those stuff from me. Okay, so first of all, there is no guide over there. You can see that most of the Facebook groups have already one option, their guides. But if you do not have, don't worry. What you have to do in that case is you just have to go to like settings, and in the settings you just have to go ahead in the extra features and then you have to put it on. Okay, so put it on. I have already put it on, so that's why it is showing me. And guides mean like organized post by subject to help people learn new things. So you know that why we are doing that. Okay, so I have already that. If you don't have, you just have to put it like add and it will be done. Okay, so now you can see the guide is here. Now what I have to do is I have to start a guide. I will simply click here and then I will give the guide name. I will give like client getting clients, something like that. Getting clients strategies. Okay, now I don't want this description. If you want, you can fill it and I will save it. Now I have saved it and I just want to create new post, or I want to add a post from my own Facebook group. And remember, to do all these things you have to be on the desktop version, because it will be not available on the mobile version, and it will be easy for you to get it done on the desktop version. Also, to do all these things that I'm doing, it is important that you are an admin, so you can change it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add one of from my group discussion. So what I'm gonna go ahead is I will simply go ahead here and I will put my one. So let's suppose that I want to add one my video over here, and I do not want it, let it be. Suppose I want to so these are my things which I want. So in that case what I will do is most recent, and I want this to be in my guide. So I will just go ahead and I will click over here and I will put it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh it because the option is not showing up here. So if you are creating a guide and you're not getting the option to add to the guide, you just have to refresh your page and then you will click on these three buttons and then you will get the option to add post to guide, right? So you will just go ahead and I will just click over here and I will just a minute, I just have to copy this one first. So I will copy it and I will then click over here and I will select it and I will give the title as like this and I will save. Okay, so now you can see that in this guide 1, that is getting client strategies, my one video has been already saved, right? So it is as simple. Now let me show you that how you can create a guide for your doc file. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna write free resources to get clients, and I will save. Okay, now I will go ahead and I will create post. Same, I have to go into my group, and then I will just put one doc or one post that I want. So I'm just gonna do it quick. And where is my post? Here it is. So I want this my post to put it into the guide. So if someone is just joining my group, they can just go ahead and grab it. Okay, you can see I have 751 post reach over here. So what I will do is I will simply go ahead and I will simply add post to guide. And also one more thing, that I would just copy this. Let's suppose that I want to copy it again, refresh it, and then I will just simply click over here, and then I will add post to guide. Now I can see the free resources. Here I will just put like Insta, let's say Insta growth guide to get clients, or I will say free save. Okay, so now you can see that I have one here as a doc file, or you can do that as well. Like it has just a post, and if someone is just coming over here and they want it, they can just raise their hand and I will deliver it. Okay, if you also want this guide, I will just leave the link in the description, and you can just go ahead and you can grab the guide if you want. So this is how this thing works, and if you want to reorder it, you can simply do that. You can simply move it like up and down or whatever it could be, you can do that as well. So you can create as many guides as you want, it completely depends upon you. So if you have any other questions for me, and now you can see that once I have done all my things, now I can see this option like guide over here as well. So this is how we do that, and this is how you can set up guides in your own Facebook group as well. Just remember that the two things, that you should be admin of the group, and the second thing is that you should do it on a desktop version. So yeah, I think that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please subscribe, because my 97.8% of audience who are watching my videos are unsubscribed people. So if you are one, please go ahead and subscribe it. Please support me, and if you liked it, please support me, plus share with your friends as well, and I will see you in the next video.